Nature only seems to be made to balance, cleanse and even heal our subtle body. To take a foot soak in a river, lake or the ocean is refreshing and offers relief to extreme mental activity. To drink water is a basic daily necessity, which we sometimes need to be reminded of. Look into the open sky, which offers a never-ending glimpse of eternity. To understand what mental silence feels like, walk the damp grass in the early morning hours. You will easily feel the intensity of the cleansing effect. To cleanse the subtle body from the accumulated right side imbalances, walk, sit or lay on the earth, especially after a frantic or stressful day. Fire cleanses the left channel and helps to balance extreme emotional activity. Take a breath of fresh air, keep it for 10 seconds and say within, "I am the spirit." Then breathe out again. This calms stress and fortifies your sense of security. To balance lethargy or depression, place the right hand on the Mother Earth. As you see, all the elements have a special cleansing effect on one of the aspects of the subtle body. By placing the left hand over the left shoulder, the palm facing backwards, ether cleanses the right channel of your subtle body. All the elements are used to enhance your state of meditation.